Hi everyone, I'm Becky, and today I'm gonna introduce the printing process in laser printer. You can see a picture here. It's a pretty common laser printer in my school. It's easy to detect that the laser printer is much more larger than the inkjet one. Anyway, I will talk about the process in inkjet printer next time. So now let's look at here. It is a diagram of a cross-section of the laser printer, which simply demonstrates the structure of a laser printer. One kind of powder called toner we'll use in the process, and then the paper first go inside the printer, and the charging roller. The charge roller applies negative charge on the jump. The green one is the jump, and the laser applies the positive charge on the jump by the mirror and lens. You can see the laser sending the red rays to the mirror and then giving the positive charge on the jump. This charging process repeats until a full page of electrostatic image have been created. And here you can see it's a transfer roller. The toner particles attached to the positive charge position surface. They are delivered by the developed roller, and the spongy roller provide and remove toner's particle. The paper will then straightly go through the filters, and in the filter just have the heat roller and the process rollers. They are used to attach the toners on the paper, and the image or document is printed out. Then the paper will straightly go up and finally come outside, and you can get the paper now. And this is a simple sketch I made for some details of transfer roller and develop roller. The one below is the transfer roller, which has a negatively charged surface. The top one is the develop roller, which has toner particles with positive charge on its surface. The circle I draw in magenta colors is the toner particles. And now let's go ahead. There's four main colors, like the other four fundamental colors used in most of the times, not just like the printing process. And also when you are painting, they will use more frequently, because when you are just missing this four color, you will form any kind of other colors that you need. And they are cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. We also use these four color toners in our laser printing process. So this is all the thing for today. If you want to see the next video, subscribe or follow us, and you will have a check for the inkjet printer process.